Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the shady slang term scam. It's a word for a sneaky trick or deceptive scheme, often used to cheat someone out of money or trust, or to call out something overhyped that falls flat. It's about spotting the fraud in the hype. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. That email promising free cash? Total scam. It's just trying to steal your info. The game's trailer was epic, but the release? Such a scam. It didn't live up to the buzz. They sold fake sneakers online. Pure scam move. Those shoes were knockoffs. The slang term scam has roots that stretch back centuries, originally tied to 16th century English slang for cheating or swindling, possibly from the Spanish escamotear, meaning to snatch or deceive. By the 20th century, scam solidified in American English as a term for fraudulent schemes, like con games or pyramid schemes. In the 2000s, internet culture and social media gave scam a broader, casual spin, used not just for outright fraud, but also for overhyped products, events, or trends that disappoint. Today, it's a go-to word for calling out anything dubious or misleading. Use scam to describe a deceptive trick, fraudulent scheme, or something that's all hype and no substance, especially in casual chats about online deals, trends, or disappointments. This term carries a skeptical, sometimes sassy tone and is perfect for informal conversations where you want to warn others or vent frustration. Be cautious in formal settings as it's casual and can sound accusatory. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.